If your iPhone is not ringing for incoming calls, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to fix it. First, let's check the basics. Look at the ring/silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. If you see orange, that means your phone is on silent. So go ahead and flip it toward the screen to turn sound back on. If you're using a newer iPhone, like iPhone 15 Pro or later, you may have an action button instead. Press and hold it, or check Control Center to make sure silent mode is turned off. Next, check your ringer volume. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. Now drag the ringtone and alert slider to the right. Make sure it's loud enough. Also, if Change with Buttons is on, you might accidentally lower your ringtone volume while adjusting media volume. Now the most common reason: Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. If you see the moon icon or Focus Mode active, tap it to turn it off. You can also go to Settings, then Focus, and make sure no schedules like sleep or work are active. These can silently block calls without you realizing it. Next, check call filtering settings. Go to Settings, then Phone. Tap on Silence Unknown Callers. If this is on, calls from numbers not saved in your contacts will go straight to voicemail. Turn it off if needed. Also check Blocked Contacts. Go to Settings, then Phone, then Blocked Contacts. Make sure you didn't accidentally block someone. And check Call Forwarding. Go to Settings, then Phone, then Call Forwarding. Make sure it is turned off. Now let's move to advanced fixes. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Face ID and Attention. Turn off attention-aware features. Sometimes your iPhone lowers the ring volume if it detects you're looking at it. Next, check Bluetooth. Your iPhone might be sending sound to headphones or a speaker. Open Control Center and turn Bluetooth off to test. Now do a force restart. Press volume up and release, then volume down and release. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This clears temporary bugs. Also, check for updates. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Install the latest iOS version. Apple often fixes these issues in updates. If your iPhone still isn't ringing, then it could be a carrier issue. Contact your mobile provider and check if there's any service problem or billing issue. Alright, quick recap. Check silent mode, volume, focus mode, call settings, Bluetooth, and restart your phone. These fixes solve most iPhone not ringing issues. If this video helped you, comment down below what fixed your problem. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.